So we know that hiring is not an exact science, but is there anything law firms can do before their wow, I just smacked the microphone before their hiring process begins to improve their odds of finding a high quality employee and connecting ultimately with a high quality employee?
Yeah, in fact, the first part of the book is dedicated to hiring habits, where we talk about things that they should be doing all the time. Just get in the habit of doing these things because it's going to help them when they look to hire somebody. And one of the rules that we preach in our book is always be hiring. You know, you might have heard always be closing, right? The Glenn
Yep.
Ross quote. So always be hiring. You should always have your eyes and ears open for great quality talent that you want to bring on board. And we talk about building your dream team or your A team, right? Building those people that you say, you know what, if I had to wave a magic wand, these are the people that I would love to have on my team. It may not make sense now, but you never know down the road when you'll have an opening and they'll be ready to come on board. And boom, it just happens. Or they oftentimes know people who are of a similar caliber as they are. So if you ask them, hey, who do you know? Here's the role that I have. Who do you know that might be a good fit? Two things might happen. Number one, they might raise their hand and say, what about me? Which would be great. Number two, they're also likely to say, you know, I know somebody from law school or a colleague or something like that. And they're likely to be a high quality person because they're referred by another high quality person. So yeah, always having your radar up, making connections, building relationships with other attorneys that you really trust and admire and respect, because you never know when the stars are going to align and they'll be able to help you out and hire.